Right now, uh, I'm in the Priya complex. It's almost closest to that. I went there and I ate Arabian chicken, which is totally glamorous. It's amazing the taste. And now I'm in the cafe and coffee. Right? You can see a little bit here. It's one of the nice places since I came to Delhi. I used to be here, for a while, and I really like it. There are